Managing inventory becomes even easier when you can't control exactly where your products go. In this lesson, we'll see how to assign products from the warehouse to branches, and how to assign products to staff members inside a branch. Let's get started. First, go to Inventory Transfers inside your warehouse. Search for the product you want to transfer, then select the destination branch. Next, enter the quantity you want to transfer. You'll also choose whether this product is assigned for retail sales or for in-house use. Once everything is set, simply submit the transfer. This allows you to move inventory from your house to any branch while keeping stock levels organized and up to date. Now, let's see how product assignment works inside a branch. Go to Products, then select Assign Products from here. Choose whether you want to manage retail or in-house products. Next, open Product Assign, search for the product, select the staff member who'll use it, enter the quantity, then click Assign. That's it. With Salonist, you can assign products at two different levels, from the warehouse to branches through inventory transfers, and from the branch to individual staff members through product assignment. This gives you better inventory control, accurate stock tracking, and clear visibility of product usage across your business.